Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add bestseller in Wix. So let's go to the Wix editor page first. Sorry, Wix dashboard first, not editor page. Go to dashboard and you'll find here catalog. Then you can see here store products. Then choose products. Then if you want to add a bestseller, you have to choose the three dot beside the product or click on the first here. Click on that product. Now if you scroll down, you'll find here the product name and here ribbon. You can here write bestseller. Okay, click on bestseller and you can add the description here, and then you can change the things if you want, color or size or in stock or track inventory. After that you can click on save. After click on save, your bestseller will be shown. So this is how you can add bestseller in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.